Educational report, removing public records from your credit report. Introduction, the importance of freezing public records. If you're struggling to remove bankruptcies, judgments, tax liens, or other public records from your credit report, it's essential to know that credit bureaus do not verify public records directly through courthouses. Instead, they use third-party websites for verification. This process can significantly impact the removal of negative items from your credit report, but there is an effective strategy: freezing the public records. By freezing these records, you prevent the credit bureaus from verifying the information, which forces them to remove it from your report. Footnote: freezing public records through third-party websites disrupts credit bureaus' verification process, offering a way to remove negative items faster. Step 1. Freezing your public records. Unlike freezing your actual credit report, freezing your public records stops third-party verification sites from accessing your data. This method directly affects the credit bureau's ability to validate public records, such as bankruptcies, judgments, and liens, which they typically rely on third-party services for. To do this, you need to contact these third-party websites directly, either by phone or online, to freeze the records associated with your name and identifying information. Freezing your public records is not the same as freezing your credit report, and it focuses specifically on limiting access to records used in credit report verification. Footnote: freezing public records via third-party websites prevents the credit bureaus from verifying your information, potentially leading to removal from your credit report. Step 2. Understanding the process. After freezing your public records, these third-party websites will send you a confirmation letter by mail. It's crucial to keep these letters in a safe and organized place, as you will need them in the future if you decide to unfreeze the records, especially when applying for loans, mortgages, or other major financial transactions. The process can take approximately 30 days to become fully active, and the removal of the public records could take an additional 30 days or longer, depending on the complexity of the case. Footnote: keeping the freeze confirmation letters is essential for unfreezing records in the future when needed for financial applications. Step 3. The impact on credit report removal. Once the freeze is active, credit bureaus cannot verify the public records they rely on to report items like bankruptcies or tax liens. This lack of verification forces the bureaus to remove the item from your credit report. If they fail to remove it, you can pursue legal action under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, FCRA, for improper reporting. The key to this method's success is that the credit bureaus cannot validate the information once the records are frozen. Footnote: by preventing credit bureaus from verifying your public records, you can pressure them to remove negative items from your credit report. Step 4. Using this method to your advantage. This method is a powerful tool for anyone looking to remove public records from their credit report. By freezing the third-party websites that the credit bureaus rely on, you gain an advantage in disputing negative information. It's essential to act quickly and organize all necessary documents to ensure that your efforts are successful. If you follow the process carefully and use the freeze strategically, you will improve your chances of removing these records from your credit report. Footnote: freezing third-party verification sites gives you the upper hand in disputing public records and removing them from your credit report.